Welcome to the machine overview for the Uniformation GK3 Pro and GK3 Ultra. Today we're going to be going through the key parts of the printers as well as how to prepare it for your prints. Whenever you're using resin printers in the space, make sure that you have a pair of protective gloves on. There's variation between these machines that we will go over in the hands-on training. Today we are going to focus on the GK3 Pro. The build plate is located up here, the latch mechanism up top. This is the resin tank. Down here is the touchscreen interface and the USB port. When using the Uniformation printers, we're going to have two specific tools. One is the silicone squeegee, and two is the metal spatula to remove the parts. The resin that we require for the Uniformation printers is Tech Fast Gray. You may notice when you come in that the resin has settled. This is where we'll be using the green squeegee to mix the resin back up. To do this, we're going to mow it back and forth across the film on the bottom. We're looking for a consistent gray color. Please avoid dripping resin out of the tank. When you're done mixing your resin, go ahead and close the lid for the Uniformation. To locate your file, click on the USB section here, and then scroll to the bottom to find your file. Click on your file, and you'll get a preview image of what the print is. Go ahead and click play. Wait for it to download it to the printer. And hit this last confirmation. Once this loading bar is done, your print will start. You'll notice that the build plate will begin to drop. This concludes the Uniformation machine overview. Next, on the hands-on training, we will show you how to remove your print from the build plate as well as curing the print. We look forward to seeing you in the Makerspace.